Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where today you find me here at Lamborghini Manchester, and we're here to collect a friend's new car. So it's not a brand new car, but it is new to him, and what it is a Lamborghini Huracan STO. So we're here just waiting for the guys to arrive, and hopefully it won't be too long from now. We'll have a little look around the showroom, see what sort of stock they've got today, and yeah, sun's just about come out for the guys, which is pretty good. Sick of the really rubbish weather we've been getting in the UK just lately. So yeah, summer's on the horizon hopefully, and we'll have a better summer this year. So yeah, let's head on into the showroom, have a look round and get the car unveiled. So let's take a little look around the showroom. We've got a lovely orange Huracan Evo here, alongside an absolutely awesome 60th anniversary STO. One of 60 cars, alongside a Evo rear-wheel drive and a Storato. And over there we've got two Aventador SVs. It's a lovely blue Evo Spider. So yeah, this one's got all the roof box and the bits on the roof, and yeah, in the launch colour. Quite like that, it's lovely. Orange calipers suit it quite well too. Two Aventadors over here, SVs, both roadsters. The blue and the red. Love the blue. Not so sure about the gold wheels on that one though. But yeah, looking awesome to get them in the showroom. Yeah, bright, colourful showroom that they've got here at Manchester. Outside they've got two Uruses. And then my friend has rocked up in his Tekka. The Verticel vans with all the carbon fibre on the rear. And round the front too with the carbon bonnet. The new style wheels. He's got the little added touch of the Italian flag on the pinstriping at the front, but yeah, that looks pretty awesome. My new favourite colour Verticel vans from Lamborghini. Recently decided that this is my favourite Lamborghini colour for me. It always used to be the Verde Mantis until this came along and I saw it on an STO, which may be a bit of a hint to what is to come. The STO that we're collecting today. Let's get it unveiled. That looks stunning. That's incredible. Let's have a little quick look around the car before it gets taken outside. It's looking beautiful in the Verticel vans colour. Car's on tick over at the moment. Got the red calipers, the hex wheels, lots of carbon fibre on this with the gloss carbon fibre. Out she comes. Looking beautiful. Big congratulations to my friend on this one. Punching them up over there. That looks mega. Nice. And it's time for the guys to roll on out. They're going off for a lovely little drive, and I'm off this afternoon to do something different, but looking great in the sunshine. They're both Verticel van Huracans here. Technica followed by the STO. So there we have it, guys. Sorry it was only a short little video. The guys heading off out now for a little drive in the sunshine. Well, why not, to be fair, make the most of it. It's actually getting a little bit warmer now, so yeah, that was the collection of my friend's STO. I love that colour. It's one of my new favourite colours from Lamborghini. So always been a green Lambo kind of guy. So yeah, big congratulations to my friend. I'm very thankful for him letting me come down today to capture the unveiling of his new car. And yeah, give this video a like if you enjoyed watching it, guys. Stay tuned for even more stuff coming up in the near future. A few more events to get myself to. And I'll see you on them ones, hopefully. Don't forget to, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it helps the channel out massively. And yeah, hopefully I can bring you some even more cool car content, guys. See you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.